Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to resolve this error which says media capture failed event error 0xa00f4271. So we have a quick solution for that. So without wasting any time, let's jump right in. Now what you have to do is just go to the start menu here and right here troubleshoot. Go to the troubleshoot settings and just from here, just go to other troubleshooters. And here you need to search for the camera. The camera is right here, just run it. Now when you click on run, sometimes it shows you the window to update that. Otherwise, if it is already updated, it will not show you anything. So in that case, what you can also do is go to Windows Update and check if the system is updated or not. Just check for the updates, and if it shows you some updates, just update your system and the problem should resolve. So if it shows you that you are up to date, something like that, you can just go to the advanced options as well and just go to the optional updates right here. And if this is something recommended by the Windows, you can just check that and download and install that, and hopefully that should solve your problem. Now what you can also do is, the third step is, what you can do is to go to apps and just go to the installed apps right here and just search for camera again here. And when you see the camera, just click on the three dots on the right hand corner and just go to the advanced options from here. And here just scroll down until you see this heading which says reset. So just reset it once. So if we click on reset, this will show you this prompt. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preference and sign-in details. So if you want to consider that, just click on reset, or otherwise just make the backup of your data. And afterwards, once you make sure that it's safe, click on reset. Now, once that is done, just close this and close everything and just try restarting your computer, and hopefully that should resolve your problem. So if this video helps you, just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also mention in the comment section what works for you, and I will see you in the next one.